All right, scholars, time for some shout outs from this week. I was talking to Mr. Cody and Miss Hendricks about some super scholars that they were super impressed with this week. So let's find out who those friends are. All right, according to Miss Hendricks, the following scholars deserve shout outs for enthusiasm. She said these scholars attended reteaches and they were engaged, they were sharing their strategies, they were even evaluating their peers, which shows a lot of our core value of enthusiasm. So those friends were Riley, Jojo, Charlie, and Jeremiah. So why don't we say, way to go, them? And now for Mr. Cody. He says these scholars deserve shout outs for hard work and achievement because these two scholars, Jacqueline and Alex, they came to office hours yesterday and they noticed something was wrong with the question for the over under yesterday. Something went wrong with the form. And instead of just like putting what they knew would get them to continue, they went to office hours and they actually like asked Mr. Cody, which showed that they were working really hard and they valued achievement because they would rather take the time to get it right than just to rush through the form. So these friends are also getting bonuses for their achievement and their core values that they're showing. Also, he says that the Raheem and Dwayne deserve shout outs for enthusiasm because when they were at reteach, they were super engaged and also evaluating their peers. So if you were one of the friends on here, know that you got 2 bonus points for showing some great core values this week. Let's all give them a Texas cheer. So get your hands up. Ready, go. Yeehaw, exactly. Super proud of all these friends' hard work. So let's see how we did on our quiz. All right, on our division quiz, when I checked this morning at 10:20 a.m., which is 12 hours after we're supposed to have taken it, my friends, our average was a 71%, and this is what our data wheel looks like. What's really cool is we did have quite a few friends who you will see are in the Hall of Fame for being in that 100%, 90%, and 80% club. We also have some friends who really need to be checking their work and making sure that we're watching the review video because this is more red than we saw last week. And I would like to see no red or very little red next week. So let's do our campus challenge. Alrighty. So Hadley did win the campus challenge this week. They had an average of 78%. Maryville had an average of 62%. You will see, though, there was just as much representation between Maryville and Hadley on that wall of fame. So I know that we can be improving this. Another fun fact, we did have more of an equal group of people taking it across Hadley and Maryville. So we had almost the same amount. However, we did not. We did not earn that special brain break because we actually had less people take the quiz this week than last week. So our percentage actually went down, which is a super big bummer because Mac was going to read us a story, but he was really upset. He like whined all morning when I told him he couldn't read us his story. Yeah, my sister's dog can read. It's pretty cool. But if we can get to that 55% by this time next week, we will have Mac read us that story. I know that I'm going to see those amount of people participating in the quiz go up. So let's rock and roll and see who's on that wall of fame. Alrighty, drum roll, please. Here is our wall of fame for today. More friends in the 100% club, super duper exciting. So my friends in the 100% club were Ebony, Owen, Miguel, Van Don, Georgia, and Aubrey. Excellent job, my friends. Also, we had some people in the 90% club, Daniela, Isra, Alexander, Anthony Rivers, and Manuel Rojas. Nice job, my friends. And we did have some friends in the 80% club as well. Joshua, Jocelyn, Araceli, Bruno, and Leo. These friends worked super duper duper hard on their quiz and they got to go on the wall of fame. They also earned some Vista Virtual points for getting their name up here. So let's go ahead and give them a round of applause, making sure that we are really celebrating all of their hard work because they are definitely our game winners. For those of us who do need a little bit more review, let's rock and roll and on to our review lesson for today.